Let's go. Let's see who's outside. Look who it is. Look who it is. Look at this guy. How's that tour pack?
Oh, I love it, man.
Yeah?
I really do, yeah.
That is... I like it.
Really nice.
I like it. I like it a lot.
Yeah.
So how many inches did you put it forward?
About 6-7 inches I was able
Really?
to put it forward, yeah.
Wow. That looks really good. Yeah. I really like it. And you can still fit, like, you can still fit a small bag in there.
Yeah, but I have the other tour pack for, the other tour pack is for traveling.
So what Sandy did was he actually had the bracket modified to actually sit a little lower and about 6-7 inches forward on his lowrider ST. I think it looks great. They did a really nice job. I think it looks good.
Thank you. It does. I like it. I really do.
What's going on there, Mr. Holy Shift?
You tell me. You tell me.
All right. Yeah, so we're gonna take a little ride. We'll get some. We'll get a cup of Joe. To take a ride, and I don't know if you could see, but it's actually snowing. Look at the wetness on my bike. You see the snow coming down? Snowflakes coming down here in Jersey. So we are going to take a ride. I got to put some more miles on this bike before we head down to Daytona. It's about, I don't know, 39 degrees, and I just have to definitely put some more miles on the bike just to make sure that everything's okay and that the fork seals are working properly. All right, let's give you guys a little startup of the beast. Oh, that's a cold start, baby. Oh, man. Sandy, when's the camshaft going in?
What?
When's the camshaft going in? Next month?
End of March, yeah.
Oh, end of March.
Yeah.
Gotcha. You're going to be in Daytona with me, buddy?
Yeah.
Huh?
9 till...
Ah, all right. Wasn't sure, obviously. That's why I didn't mention nothing, but Sandy's going to be with me in Daytona for a couple days. I think 2-3 days. So I have an absolutely packed schedule for Daytona. We're going to be at the King of the Baggers stuff, at the racetrack. We're going to be doing stuff with Rule Rock, with Harley Davidson, with Zero 3D, with Chromeworks, with Adam from Amsoil. We're just gonna be super busy. All right, we're plugged in. so we got a full schedule. Just so you guys know, again, March 7th, we're going to be at Amsoil Adams Rig. Around 3 p.m. And definitely stop by over there because he's going to be giving away a free oil change. And then March 8th, we're going to be in the morning at 9 a.m. at Zero 3D. From 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then following right after that, from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. we'll be at the Chromeworks rig, March 8th. Oh, this thing sounds so good. Kick it down a gear. Go grab a cup of Joe. Put some more miles on it. The fork seals, they look good so far, but I just want to be sure. So right here, I'm going to put on my high beams just so you guys could check out the Zero lighting in the front. So from the top, I have the vent trim lighting. Right underneath that, around the fairing nacelle, are the road blades, and then you have the main headlamp, and off to the sides of the headlamp you have the Fang bezel lights, and then the turn signals are white LED halo turn signals with the chrome bezels. And then on my Santoro Fabrics crash bar, I have the Zero 3D light cannons, and they're wired right now, so the halos around the light cannon are on with my low beam, and then watch when I put my high beam on, the main beam comes on with the main high beam from the headlamp. So that's how I wanted it hooked up, but you could hook it up in a lot of different ways, however you like, but that's how I wanted it. I wanted it as soon as I put the main headlamp on and I feel I need more lighting for the road, the high beam on the main headlamp is going to come on with the main middle lamp from the light cannons. Man, how good does she look? That thing sounds amazing, baby. Amazing, baby. So far I'm looking at the weather for Sunday, March 5th, and it looks like there's no rain because I'm leaving early that morning. It looks like no rain, so thank God, because I definitely do not want to be leaving in the rain. So far we keep our fingers crossed. It's looking like it's supposed to be like 49, possibly 50 degrees that day. Thank God. I hope it stays like that. Sheet of ice and snow just came off of that rig and went onto the other side of the highway. That's pretty dangerous. I don't know why Sandy's getting close to that truck. It's got like a sheet of ice and snow on top of it. Friggin' dangerous. How's that scoot? How's that scoot?
That helmet really looks good because it's got that.
What?
No, the way the helmet is built with the visor, it looks really good.
Rock, baby. Atlas 4.0, brother. It's a really good helmet, I'm telling you. So that's pretty much it for the ride today, guys. Oh, this thing sounds so good. Brakes bedded in pretty good. Come on, buddy. Come on now. You gotta put that cam in, buddy. You gotta put that cam in. Sandy's feeling a little froggy today. Yeah, baby.